Got a drip I hear.
Yeah.
Oh, weren't you the last one in the bathroom?
So?
So did you use the faucet?
Yeah.
Well, why didn't you turn it off?
I did turn it off.
If you turned it off, why am I hearing a sound?
Did it ever occur to you that maybe the faucet could still drip and be turned off?
No, because if the faucet was off, you wouldn't hear a drip.
Maybe it's broken.
Is that what you're saying, that it's broken?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, that it's broken.
Are you sure?
Positive.
And how can you be so sure?
Because I used approximately 16 foot-pounds of torque.
Now, is that an adequate number of torquage?
Well, if you had read the manual, then you would know that this specific faucet requires approximately 10 to 16 foot-pounds of torque, and what with faucet turning malpractice insurance being what it is these days, I always make sure that I use the approximate amount of torque.
How do you know that 16? How did you know that number? How did you get 16 foot-pounds of torque?
Because I used a Craftsman's Model Series 2000 torque wrench, the kind used by physicists and top NASA engineers.
So how can you be so sure? How are you always so sure?
Because the split second before the torque wrench was applied to the faucet, top members of the state and federal government calibrated to make sure that the weight and measures were dead on balls accurate. Here, your certificate of validation.
Dead on balls accurate?
It's an industry term.
Then I guess the fucking thing's broken, huh?